from participating in extracurricular activities, working on group projects or labs, as well as living with roommates. Interacting and working with others occurs in various aspects of your life. The ability to communicate your needs while maintaining a positive relationship has numerous benefits when there's a concern, disagreement, and even conflict. The next time you have a difficult discussion or conversation coming up, try using something called an I statement. This will help you avoid putting the listener on the defensive, and in turn they'll be more receptive to your comments or feedback. There are 3 parts to an I statement. 1. A non-blameful description of the listener's behavior. 2. The effect of the behavior on the speaker. 3. The speaker's feelings about that effect. For example, rather than saying, "You are always late to our group meetings, please show up on time moving forward," you can change this to, "I feel underappreciated and unvalued when our group meetings don't start on time because of late arrivals. I'd like you to call or at least let us know ahead of time when you know that you'll be late. If the meeting isn't scheduled at the best time because of your other commitments, please let us know and we can work this out together." For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our consultants.